Students, now let us start with question number 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the Z over which the ships are warned. Use pi is equal to 3.14. You know that in sea there are lighthouses to warn ships. So they are saying that a light is coming up to an area of sector angle 80 degree and radius 16.5 kilometer. So it is forming a shape of a sector. तो हमें इस सेक्टर का एरिया फाइंड करने को कहा है. So we will write here R is equal to 16.5 kilometer and theta is equal to 80 degree. So we have to find the area of sector. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into area of circle, that is pi r square. So 80 by 360 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. So 8 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 9 से 3.41 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. पॉइंट 3s are 27, 4 आपके पास आ गया, 4s are 36, then 8s are. So 0.348. Now multiplying all these we get 189.486. बेटा कैलकुलेशन आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. किलोमीटर स्क्वायर is the area swept by the light. Now coming to question number 13, it says a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure 12.14. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter and the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square, use root 3 is equal to 1.7. Now beta, here we need to find the cost of making equal designs. So here I have joined these lines to show that how many sectors are formed here? 6 sectors, 6 equal designs. Now you know that equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. Total 360 degree, so one angle is of 60 degree. So you can write that we know that equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. Therefore each sector angle is equal to 360 by 6, which is equal to 60 degree. Now if this angle is 60 degree, then this will be an equilateral triangle. So how to find area of one segment? Area of one segment is equal to area of one sector minus area of triangle. अब जो ये सेक्टर है ये 1/6 है, तो I can write this as 1/6 pi r square, or else you can also write this 60 by 360 into pi r square minus, as this is forming an equilateral triangle, so root 3/4 a square. Here a is radius, so I have written r square. Now this is equal to 60 by 360 into 22/7 into the radius given here is 28 into 28 minus Root 3 की value it is given in the book as 1.7. So by 4 into 28 into 28. Now here 66 और यहाँ पे 7 4s then 2 3s 2 11s और यहाँ पर आ गया आपके पास 4 7s. After multiplying 11 into 4 into 28, we get 1 2 3 2 divided by 3 minus, after multiplying 1.7 into 7 into 28, we get 333.2. अब इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 3 से, so we get 3 4s 12, 3 1s 3 0, 410.66. So now we have to subtract these two. So we get, I am rubbing the board beta from the upper side. After subtracting we get this as 77.46. Now this is the area of one segment. So area of 6 segments is equal to 6 into 77.46. Now this comes out to be 464.76 centimeter square, or you can write this as 464.8 centimeter square, because we have to find cost also, तो one place तक round off कर सकते हैं. Now cost of making design for 1 centimeter square is equal to rupees 0.35. So cost of making design for, we got here 464.8 लिख लेते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करने में इजी होगा, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0.35 into 464.8. So this after multiplication gives us rupees 162.68. So this is the cost of making the design. With this we finish question number 13. Now question number 14 is, take the correct answer in the following. Area of sector of angle P of a circle with radius R is. So beta here we have theta is equal to P and radius is equal to capital R. So accordingly area of sector is equal to theta by 360 means P by 360 into pi capital R square. Now among these options, first option 2 pi r मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो ये नहीं हो सकता. सेकेंड में P by 180 है, ये ऑप्शन भी करेक्ट नहीं है. थर्ड में अगेन 2 pi r है तो ये ऑप्शन भी करेक्ट नहीं है. 4 में 2 और 720 कट हो जाता है and we get 360. So fourth option is the correct answer. So option D is the correct answer. With this we finish exercise 12.2.